Après la menace de la Russie contre le gouvernement de Kiev, nous devons envoyer des troupes en Ukraine, et cette fois, c'est l'OTAN qui nous aiderait. L'Allemagne envisage également d'envoyer des Taurus en Ukraine, il y a maintenant une menace de guerre nucléaire, et c'est inévitable. Cela ramènera à l'âge de pierre, c'est une situation dangereuse pour le pays.
This is a message from the BBC. Information will be detailed. This is a message from the BBC. Information will be detailed. This is a message from the BBC. Information will be detailed. This is an emergency notice from the BBC. France sent NATO troops to Ukraine, escalating the conflict to critical levels. Russia has reacted to this situation, declaring as an act of war to NATO. Even worse, they launched tactical nuclear weapons on Kyiv and Lviv, killing a lot of civilians. The UK is now in a nuclear attack alert, as Russia sent over 18 nuclear warheads coming to the UK. We finally detected the targets of the nuclear warheads: London, Manchester, Leeds, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Swansea, Liverpool, Brighton, Southampton, Cardiff, Newcastle, York, Norwich, Aberdeen, Belfast, Birmingham, Luton and Oxford. All airports and major roads are blocked for military use, and internet is disconnected for military use. And if you live in 20 miles from the cities, evacuate now. Prepare your fallout room using non-flammable materials, and wait for 2 weeks until the fallout has passed. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear weapons, in which they contaminate the waters. But if you live in rural area, you are free to prepare your fallout room. Don't forget your Protect and Survive book. Due to the EMP, the BBC studios will be destroyed. Only radio stations, like BBC Radio 3, will be used during the nuclear apocalypse. If you survive the 2-week period, you have to get out of the ruins and make a settlement. You can name whatever you want, but you have to be with your friends. NATO is discussing with Russia, China and North Korea about what actions is taken against the attacks that caused on Kyiv, Lviv and Kharkiv. Rishi Sunak is evacuated in a safely place. King Charles III will make a speech after the attack. Warning red. Attack warning red. Seek immediate shelter. Seek immediate shelter.